All right, so just checking in. Doing a bunch of research right now. Of course, the market is not looking great. Not looking great. So this is a time where you do not force trades and you go back to your notes. You go back and you watch videos. You back test things on TradingView using the replay button. This button right here. You know, just kind of take time away. Take time away from the charts. You do not have to be in a trade all the time. Very important. A very key sign of a successful trader is knowing when not to trade. And right now, it's not looking so hot. You know, will you make money? Yes, definitely. The best way to make money is not to lose it. Do not force trades. Let the trades come to you. More than likely later today, maybe even tomorrow, we may look at entering some shorts in the VIP. Possible. But we just need more confirmation that this is going to continue going down. I drew this, I believe, on yesterday's live stream. I believe that's when I drew this. But just to let you know, right now, it's just waiting game. You know, because Bitcoin loves to fake us out. Look what it did over here. It came all the way down, and then it just said nope, and then just went. So right now, we're just waiting. Once again, be patient. You know, things will play out. And since we're getting closer to the halving, just a few more days, super excited. Normally, the price action drops minimum 1 month prior to the halving. Normally, it's around 3. This time, we just started seeing the drop. And the drop may continue, may level out after the halving, probably for a few weeks to maybe a month, to where it's just kind of sideways action. Of course, stay in the game. Definitely review notes, review videos. Use everything that's available to you. And I want to see charts, guys. I want to see questions. I want to see all that fun stuff in the free group. And let's see, what else do I got? Just, you know, just a reassurance. You know, right now it's just the calm before the storm. And prices may continue to go down. Maybe another 15, 20% minimum on your altcoins. Maybe even 25 to 30. If you're in the coins and you do not have a stop loss, don't worry, because that's part of your plan. Start saving your money. Start saving your money. We'll be looking for areas to add to our entries or possibly to enter a coin. And then after that, man, it's going to be so good. We're expecting this. So this is not a surprise. This is not a surprise. If you're brand new to the game and you're freaking out, like, what's going on? I don't understand any of this. Don't worry. This is part of the plan. We have the retrace. We have sideways, boring action. Maybe little ups and downs here and there. You know, good 20, 30%, maybe even 10, 12%. And so that's going to be the hardest time to trade before it gets really, really easy. And the best thing is to know what the narrative is. And then also enter at the best possible point so we get more profits. That's all I got. I do thank you, and I will see you. We'll see you soon.